do a quick little water test for the Wuben X4. I got the timer here. We'll do 5 minutes. I have the light on right now just to, compare it to if you would have it in your hand there and drop it in the lake or something like that, or drop it in a puddle. So a light would have been on already. It is Red Lake. There. 71 degrees Celsius. Gonna close that for a second. Press the button for 2 seconds. So the flashlight is fully charged. You see the blue light. We're going to unlock the battery compartment. Show you the battery is nice and dry into the inside. No water whatsoever into the lens. Lock this back up. So this is where latch is at the lock position right now. We're gonna turn that flashlight back on. Drop it into some water. Just have to make sure that you don't want to expose the charging port here. So we're just going to put it on the brightest setting at the front. It flashes like this when you reach the brightest. If you go the opposite way, lower. So now we're at the brightest setting. It's gonna keep nice warm temperature. Our charging port is covered. Let's drop it in the water. And let's start our timer. Just gonna move it back like this so that you can see the timer and the flashlight. Not really see the timer. Perfect. All right, I'll be back in 5 minutes. Okay, it's been a little bit more than 5 minutes. Let's get this flashlight out of here. Dry it all up. Ready the counter up. Ready the flashlight up. We're gonna open it and see if there's any moisture into it. Flashlight itself still work. Let's turn it off. There's no moisture into the lens. Let's unlock it and disable the battery. Okay, as you can see here, there is moisture on the battery. There's also moisture around here and a little bit of droplets around the spring. Both inside. Yeah, there's water droplets inside too. Water droplets from inside. Let's dry up the battery. This up. As you can see, the switch, the charging port was covered. Okay, you because there doesn't seem to have any moisture that went inside the head of the flashlight. Seems pretty dry right now. We're just gonna do a function test. I'll put the battery back in, locking it. Okay. Yeah, the flashlight doesn't turn on now. So now this is locked. First setting should be this side light. Nothing. What about if we long press on the side to see the battery charge? Nothing. If we go on to the next function, this is supposed to be this light. Nothing. Oh, this one is working. No, sometimes it's not working, sometimes it's working. Okay, now it's working. What about the back? Back button doesn't work. Front. Okay, front is working. There we go. Max setting. So now this is working again. Oops. Let's see our side light. Oh, no. Side light is supposed to be side light right now. It's doing the front light. It's long press. See if it give us, yeah, battery's still fully charged. But this is not the right function though. It should be our side light here. Alright, so I'm gonna reopen this. Let this battery dry. Completely, and then we're going to keep the flashlight open. There's still some droplets coming out of there. Keep the flashlight open. Last time I did this in the previous test, which I haven't recording it. What I did is I just let the flashlight dry like this after, and everything went back to normal. I was able to use all the function. So this again, for reference, was 5 minute 48 second, and it was in this much water, which is exactly 2 inches of water.